Hey, fourth grade, it's our last Monday together, so it's our last essential question. Our essential question, if you look, put our planner in Google Classroom. So here's our planner this week for our final week. And I'll just go over this real quick before we go over our essential question. And our essential question this week is kind of exciting. It deals with social studies. It's what has been the role of money over time? So today, on Monday, you're going to go watch this video, and then you're going to watch the vocabulary video, watch the video of the shared read the history of money, and you'll complete the vocabulary assignment in Google Classroom. And then you're going to, tomorrow, watch the video about it's the same skills as last week, asking and answering questions and main idea, and you're going to have that same kind of assignment. You're going to practice that ask and answer questions assignment in Google Classroom, where you ask me a question that I will be able to find in the text. On Wednesday, you're going to read the story, the big picture of economics, and complete that quiz in Google Classroom. Make sure to click submit when you're done. And on Thursday will be our last day and our last final class meeting at 11. So anyone that wants to can join. Read the pages of the story, The Miller's Good Luck, and answer the question in Google Classroom using that RACE rubric. And I will make sure to share that out again since I forgot last week. All right, so our essential question this week, let's look at our video.
Money matters. What has been the role of money over time? Long ago, people bartered or traded for the goods and services they needed. In time, people realized they could use standardized objects to represent their wealth and trade those instead. The first kinds of currency included some strange objects, like giant stone discs. How would you like to carry those around in your pocket? Money became smaller and more manageable over time, with metal coins coming into use around the world. Paper money soon followed. Today, people use cash and change to pay for goods and services. Electronic payments, such as those made with credit cards, are very popular as well. Perhaps in the future, currency might only exist as electronic pulses.
And that's something I think about. I don't have my watch on right now, but that's like that electronic pulse. I have my watch and I could just like put it on the keypad and it'll automatically pay for it. So there's a lot of things that has changed over time. So let's look at this photograph. This would be the photograph in your small reading writing workshop book. Once it loads. Super slow today. Sorry. Okay, here we go. All right, so it's what has been the role of money over time. I don't know why it's so slow today. And it says, here's my dollar. So we're going to have a really interesting social studies lesson this week. I'm excited to dig. This is one of my favorite stories because you're going to see, like it said in the video, how money has gone from you had to carry these huge giant discs to like coins and cash, and even where you can pay with your wrist. So you see all these kids lined up for, I've always called this the Ding Ding Man. When I was your guys' age, I've always called it that. One of my favorite things that I listen for. All right, so in that picture, everyone was waiting, all the students were waiting for the ice cream truck, and they had their money in their hand. The man selling the ice cream is an entrepreneur, or a person who starts a business. Businesses often sell merchandise to earn money. The merchandise being sold in the photo is the ice cream. The children are the customers, and customers use dollars to buy the things they want and need, or they could use other things, but in that type of case, they're using those dollars. So that is our essential question. If you have any questions about that, let me know, and you can email me, and I will get back to you.